We Filipinos are often described as hospitable, caring, friendly, and polite. However, in recent years, generational shifts have led to troubling changes, especially regarding our behavior towards respecting others. What is the right way to show respect? I believe we should stress the importance of respect and how we extend it to others. We shouldn't label respect with age. When we approach the elderly, we ought to give them respect, but when it comes to the youth, we take them for granted. We should give notoriety to the saying, respect begets respect. Not to forget respecting others, but also because we often overlook the value of respect and when a person should and shouldn't be given it. We often excuse the elderly for their disrespectful behavior just because of their age. But age shouldn't be the basis of respect. We rely on it due to tradition and custom. I'm not saying that we should forget to respect our elders, but we should know who to respect. Whether they are younger or older than us, we should value who we respect because respect is a feeling of understanding that someone or something is important or serious, and because respect is a deserved appropriate treatment or regard.